What's going on, guys? Today I'm bringing you a new video. I copied a bunch of YouTubers and I went on Fiverr and bought a bunch of things. So in this video I want to talk about what I bought, how much it cost me, which was very cheap, and I want to look at each product ranking from the worst to the best, and then I want to get your opinions in the comment section below on which one you guys think is honestly the best, because there were two that were meh and there were two that were good. I bought 4 items, $5 a piece. We're going to take a look at them. We're going to take a look at the designers, and I have everything loaded up in Photoshop for you so that you can see exactly what product I got and which one was potentially a ripoff. So as I said, I decided to come on Fiverr, and the item I decided to purchase was 4 esports logos. I had $20 credit already on Fiverr from a previous purchase I made, which turned out to be a ripoff. If you guys don't know, I've been using this this ninja logo that I had purchased on Fiverr for quite some time now, and maybe like a week after I bought it, I found out it was a ripoff. So I just was using it. I didn't have anything else to use, but that's going to change because one of these new logos is going to become mine. So here was the criteria. 4 artists, $5 each. I only paid $5. I had $20 credit, so I found 4 artists that it was $5 each. The requirements were, had to be a panda, had to be an esports logo, and it had to say righty. That was it. I gave everybody between a 4 and a 5 rating overall, because for $5, they did good. So now let's get into it. We're going to take a look at the products that I received, as well as the descriptions of the product that the artist was promising you. So let's take a look. So the first person I took a look at here, his name was, or is, mtmansoor. What he promises in his basic plan is pretty simple. 1 unique style logo, source file, unlimited revisions, high quality vector file. He guarantees you 1-day delivery, unlimited revisions, 1 initial concept included, source files, logo transparency, high resolution, and vector file. With him, I literally received the vector file, the logo transparency, but I had to message him to get that. He actually didn't originally send me it, and he gave me like one of the 3D resolutions, which was kind of cool. But there was a problem with his, and let me show you what it was. So if we open up Photoshop, oh no, you got to see one. Oh well. So this is the design he sent me. $5. You can't really complain about it at all. I originally didn't like the font, so I had him change it. And yeah, there was an issue with this. This is not an original piece of artwork, and this is something that happens quite often on Fiverr. This is the reason I had $20 credit in my account, is because the last guy that I had do my artwork gave me an unoriginal design, and a bunch of my viewers on Twitch messaged me and said, hey, this is already out there. So, you know, I reported him to Fiverr, got my money back, yada, yada, yada. Same situation here. I still give him a good rating because it's $5 and, you know, he did good. The issues I had, I didn't like the color scheme. It's really weird and it just doesn't look right. The font is the font I told him to use because the first font he used was absolute garbage. Another issue is this panda's missing its arm, and don't say it's a design because it's definitely not. And he's missing his hand. Now, let me show you the original. This is the original. This is the one I found on Google. Now this is supposed to be an original design. That is not original at all. You can literally see he just took this logo, created it to make it look like his, and it was very subpar. It was really bad. Anyway, this was, in my opinion, the worst one. We're gonna move on to the next person, which everyone from here on out did all right and better and amazing. So let's take a look at those. All right, so the next person that I contacted, they go by the username PolySP. Poly guaranteed you a one logo design concept with unlimited revisions, transparent PNG, high resolution files. 2 days delivery. I actually received it in a day, which was really nice. Nobody was late, like I said. I got the initial concept. Yes, I don't remember. Yes, I got the initial concept. I said it was good because I didn't care. Like, I just wanted them to make me a $5 design. That was not the issue. I just wanted to see it, and that was it. I got the logo transparency, I got the high resolution, I got the 3D mockup. I'm going to show you guys the 3D mockup. This is definitely worth $5. However, I didn't feel it was anything amazing, anything that I'm going to use in any of my projects or using as towards my own branding. So this is what it came out to be. It's a panda. Remember the criteria: panda, righty, esports logo. It's a panda, but it kind of looks like a bear. Yes, a panda is a bear. Shut up. But it looks more like not a panda, if that makes any sense. Anyway, $5. I also did not like this. If you can see the outline, like, there should not be an outline. It's like they put a massive stroke around the lettering and just let it kind of blend in. You can see, like, right here and up here, it's trying to blend together. For $5, you can't complain on Fiverr. Like, this came out fantastic for $5. I gave the artist like a 4.5 or something because I got it early. I couldn't find this design on Google. I looked for like an hour, I couldn't find it. And, you know, it's $5. Good job. Thank you. Let's move on to the next. All right, so the next two artists are by far very talented. Now this is me assuming that these are original designs. I could not find them on Google. They look very well done, very well professionally made, and I don't know which one I'm going to use, but one of these is going to become my new branding logo. As long as I don't find out that it's a scam and it's been used 1,000 times by 20 different content creators. I don't want that at all. Whatever. It's $5, so I didn't care. All right, so this is Hariyana, and Hariyana has an all-in-one package, high resolution printable image for logo, free source file, and unlimited revisions. 2-day turnover. He finished in like 12 hours. Did a fantastic job. Amazing communication between me and him through the chat that you can have with the artists that you're working with. He said one initial concept included source file, logo transparency, high resolution, and vector file. I received all of those, and he did such a fantastic job, assuming this isn't original. So for $5, I don't know, I probably would have paid $50, maybe more for this. This is what I got from him. It looks very professional. I don't like how it just says Twitch stream on the bottom of it. That's kind of meh, because if I wanted to use this specific file, I've got the words Twitch stream on it, so I don't like that. Overall, the logo is very good. I can pull up what it looks like transparent. You know, if you guys just want to see that, that's what it looks like transparent. It's really good. So please let me know in the comments section if you think this is good, if you think it's original. If it's not original, let me know. Put a link in the comments section. I want to know if these are BS purchases that I made. But overall, fantastic quality. I'm considering using this one for my branding. Yeah. No complaints at all with this person. Very good communication, did everything they said they were going to do. Now, this is the last design, and I got lucky. I did not read the description correctly, okay? Make sure you read the description, because I could have spent $100 and I would have been screwed. This is from Mithun Activity. It's a level 2 seller, 4.9 rating, and I didn't care so much for his designs, but I noticed he had a panda, so I was kind of curious with this one if I was going to get the same exact panda. And luckily, I didn't. I got a really good quality panda. Now, this is where I got lucky. I chose the basic plan, and it says text logo. Text logo only. I was looking for a mascot. It even says here, easy, no mascot, text logo. Said one initial concept, logo transparency, high resolution, and 4-day delivery time. Now, with the 4-day delivery time, I got it in 3. I got everything that was included. And when I messaged him what I wanted, I still gave him that I wanted a Panda Esports logo with righty, and I got it. I didn't get no complaints from the seller that I asked for an actual mascot logo. I got it. It was quite good. It was well done. So let's pop that open, and this is the product I got. I really feel that this is an original. I searched on Google. I could not find it. I used the Google image finder where you can upload your own file to the Google search bar, and I still couldn't find it. I think it's kind of a cute logo. It also kind of represents how I can be on stream sometimes, where I'm kind of like miserable when I'm playing, like I'm not in that great of a mood. Overall, it's really good quality. I like the font that he used. You know, it's a really nice sans serif, kind of a sans serif. It's kind of weird, but he did good. Really, really good. This, in my opinion, it's really hard for me to decide between this one and this one. This one looks really familiar, and I can't quite figure out what it is. I don't know, but I really like it, but I'm afraid it's not original. So guys, let me know if you've seen this logo somewhere. If you have, again, link it down below. So this was definitely the worst, just because it was a copy. It was a copy. They ripped off one of the arms. They completely got rid of the hand. The color scheme is god awful. So this is definitely the worst. I'm never going to use this logo, I promise. This one, again, it looks more like a polar bear, kind of, to me. I don't know. But it doesn't look like a panda. And also this stroke with the name, it just kind of, I feel like they took this logo, they found it somewhere, and they just added some letters and put like this really transparent stroke on it. It just looks like garbage. 3, this came out fantastic. I really hope this is original, because if it is, I might be using this. The only issues I had with it was right here and right here. And the other reason I think this is actually an original is because when we were chatting, he was sending me screenshots of him kind of sketching it out, and like as it progressed. So I'm assuming this one's real. For $5, guys, you need to go find this artist. Go back in the video. I'm gonna link everybody, by the way, in the description box from 4 to 1. And you guys definitely, if you're in need of a logo, this person would be a fantastic person to go to. And also this one, another fantastic design. I'm hoping that this is original as well. And I need you guys to let me know which one should be my new logo. Should it be number 3? Well, number 2, number 1. We're just gonna say they're both number 1. We're gonna call it Mean Panda and Scared Panda, I think. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. If you have not done so yet, please click that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell for every time I upload a new video. Head over to twitch.tv/righty, where you guys can find me live as often as I possibly can. I'm very busy with work right now, especially with the Fortnite World Cup. Head over to my Twitter, which is @righty on Twitch, Instagram @righty on Twitch, and that's gonna do it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next video.